Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Fashion law update, fashion law professor update, fashion teaching update. We are continuing with our fashion and intellectual property chapter. And today I was talking to the students of teaching on design patents and just patents as a whole, and then subdivided into utility patents and design patents and what that means, defining it for them, talking about registration process, the scope of protection, the duration, how long it lasts, infringement, how that occurs, among other topics. Now, one of the things I like to do before I teach, start the substantive legal part of the discussion, is I like to talk about emotional intelligence and teach on emotional intelligence, because I believe that as an industry, we are absolutely obligated to send to the world, to the industry, professionals who have strong emotional intelligence, who are competent in that part, and that way we can continue to improve our industry. Our industry suffers from a lot of issues, and issues that affect women particularly and children. Labor and employment law issues, which encompasses child labor, harassment, and the list goes on. So we can do better. Of course, as we get into the chapter, there are, of course, discussions on even environmental impact. The fashion industry has not been very good when it comes to the environmental impact on the products that we put out there. So that should be very, very interesting. But the chapter on, or chapter or module on discussion on patent law and how patents affect design and how designers can use patent to protect or patent law to protect their designs was rather interesting. We had a good time, I think. There's a lot of role playing, having the students broker deals, talk to each other, and role play how it might look in trying to license or assign their intellectual property, both the copyright, the trademark, and of course patents as well. Was interesting. So that's it in terms of a wrap for me on the update. Look forward to updating you all as we continue to progress with this inaugural class at Sacramento State, inaugural fashion law. I said I would. So a little bit of a mini series, if you will, or a little bit of a mini series, if you will, is what we're doing here. Have a great day. Until next time, have a good one. Cheers.